Hey, so before we get to this completion, I just wanted to say that this level was definitely it was a challenge for me, which is good. I think I didn't really ever think I would be able to beat extreme demons, let alone extreme demons to this level of difficulty, and it's been a long journey, but I'm glad I can finally say that I have this demon under my belt, and I can't wait to keep going up from here. I love this game to death, and I want to continue to grow as a player. So hopefully we can do some pretty cool things from this point on. Anyways, hope you guys enjoy Black Blizzard. I'll show you guys some quick fails real quick, and then we'll get into the completion. Thank you. Fuck.
They usually fall in the hold on, no, wait. I sensed that shit at 6% that was gonna be a run. Yo, how far was that? What percentage?
84. Yes! I did it! Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh! Whoa! Oh my god! Yes! Yes! Let's fucking go!
Wait, did you beat it?
I just fucking beat it!
Yo.
What the fuck? So, quick update. This happened while I was literally editing this video. Yep, it's time for a new mouse, but hey, it got me through Black Blizzard, so nice. Alright guys, so hopefully you enjoyed that completion of Black Blizzard. It did take me a little bit longer to edit this video. I did beat this level about a week ago, so that's why. And on top of some other things, like 2.2 just dropped, obviously that's why you can see like stuff like this right here. But anyways, yeah, dude, I don't know. This level was a struggle, bro. That's all I gotta say. I gotta thank my fiance for, you know, just giving me the support that he did when it came to being this level, because, you know, even though 50,000 attempts for a level isn't unheard of, for me that's like a lot still. And god, the mental battle that came with this level was just ridiculous. But anyways, we did it. It's over. Black Blizzard. I'm glad I did it before 2.2 as well, because it's broken now. You can't beat it with the 2.2 physics. So I'm really glad I beat it before the update came out. But yeah. Also, another update. New mouse. We did get a new mouse. I know I just talked about how I broke my mouse while editing this video, but while I finished editing it, within that time I got a new one, so it's okay. Also, I did do something else. Just really quick to show you guys, I did do dash all 3 coins. I'll be uploading a short video about that soon. 2.2 updates out. Like, I don't even know what to say about this update. Like, the physics broke, and it broke a lot of levels, which kind of upset me and was disappointing, but at the same time I still think a lot of cool things came out of this update. Obviously it's not perfect, but I'll explore it a little more, and once I know more about everything that this update has to offer, then I'll actually release a video on it. But anyway, I think that's about it. Thanks for watching this completion of Black Blizzard, and I'll see you guys later.